Check this out.
Okay.
Check this out.
Okay.
I look good.
Okay.
Stop separating names and numbers manually. There's a faster way to organize your data. Right now, you're copying the name, then the phone number, and pasting them into separate columns cell by cell. If you have hundreds of rows, this will take all day. Use the go-to special trick instead. It's a game changer for clean, messy lists. First,
I look good.
Okay.
messy lists. First, select your entire list in column A. Press the shortcut Ctrl-G. This opens the Go-To menu. Click on Special. Select Constants. Now, uncheck everything except text. Click OK. Excel has now highlighted only the names. Press Ctrl-C to copy, select the first cell under the name column, and press Ctrl-V to paste. Now, let's do the same for the numbers. So everything except numbers. Click OK. Excel has now highlighted only the phone numbers.
Check this out.
Okay.
I look good.
Okay.
Stop typing achieved and not achieved manually. There's a faster way. Right now, you're checking each sale against target and typing results one by one. That takes time. Use the if formula instead. Type this in the first result cell. Equals if, open bracket, sales greater than target, comma, quote, achieved, quote, comma, quote, not achieved, quote, close bracket. Done in seconds. Let's add colors. Select the result column. Press this shortcut. Alt plus H plus L plus H plus E. Type achieved. Choose for fill, light green, text, dark green. Click OK. Select the light red, text, dark red. Click OK. Now your data is color-coded. Green means achieved, red means not achieved.
Check this out.
Okay.
I look good.
Okay.
Check this out.
Okay.
I look good.
Okay.